Are you worried that your job is going to be replaced by AI? If so, then you have opened the right video. In this video, we're going to explore 10 jobs that will not be replaced by AI and why. Watch until the end to find out whether your job will be substituted by AI in the coming years. See, technology's revolutionary nature, the rise of artificial intelligence and automation threaten to eliminate many traditional occupations. Both positive consequences like increased productivity and new ideas, as well as negative ones like eliminating specific jobs, resulted from the widespread use of automation and AI. When you compare robots to humans, robots have a far smaller margin of error due to their superior intelligence. They excel in many tasks at which humans fail. For this reason, you may think that robots are replacing humans in the workplace. Machines are not only more cost-effective, but also more convenient. Imagine this: machines can't complain, they can't get tired, and they won't ask for a raise. However, if you're in the service-oriented sectors and professions requiring skills that computers can't replicate, you're in a safe career. As human beings, we're capable of empathy, creativity, and social intelligence, which robots do not have. In a world where artificial intelligence and automated tasks are becoming common, jobs requiring such expertise are more likely to survive. So, the jobs on this list are unlikely to be automated away because they rely too much on human ingenuity or social contact. Number 1. Teachers. We place such a high value in education that we spend around a quarter of our lives studying various subjects. It's a huge commitment to society that impacts who we are in many ways. This is a pivotal time in our development. As a teacher, you have a critical role in educating us between the lines of the topics you teach, fundamental values, and ideals. Many of us look up to our teachers as role models. It's common for a teacher's positive influence on a student's academic trajectory to have a role in that student's eventual career choice. Therefore, a wholly digital educational experience in the future is unlikely if you're a teacher, because you'd be needed for the rest of your career. Number 2. Medical practitioners. You see, medical technology advancements have greatly improved the precision with which doctors can now identify and detect illnesses. As a surgeon, your accuracy is further increased using micro-robots during operations, allowing for less invasive treatments. However, a surgeon must have technical expertise, interpersonal skills, and the broad perspective necessary to build a patient's trust. During an operation, years of experience, knowledge, and expertise must be synthesized into brief moments. Decisions of crucial importance will always need the intervention of a person. So, if your parent is persistent in wanting you to pursue a career in medicine, consider it this time. Number 3. Writers and artists. Being an artistic hippie may be alright. In all seriousness, art is such a vast, creative, mysterious, and open meta world that is impossible to expect AI to grasp the essence of what makes a book, play, statue, or artwork so gloriously beautiful to enjoy. What makes creative art so unexpected and new is that it deviates so drastically from the norms and boundaries of traditional art. How would we go about programming a pattern that defies every regulation? Writing skill in particular requires a great deal of imagination, and the ability to effectively arrange a specific set of words is no small feat. Even if AI can absorb the information from most books in the world in practically any language and come up with a somewhat style of communication, the beauty and delight of making art with words will rest in us for years to come. As a writer, you may need to write in different tones and be empathetic or sympathetic in your messaging. AI may need help understanding this. Even if you can insert the techniques and tenses to be used, AI-developed work will not touch with the audience as when written by a human. Number 4. Human resource managers. Can you trust a robot to resolve a conflict or dispute at the workplace? Can you imagine putting your issues to a robot with no interpersonal skills and cannot feel your pain? AI can aid in recruitment by analyzing resumes and predicting which people will be the best fit for open positions. However, even if you seem ideal on paper, you may not be a good fit. In this situation, AI will speed up hiring the incorrect people. Human resource management and training are challenging tasks to automate. Employees will look to you for assistance and dispute resolution on the job. As a human resource manager, you should have strong communication and critical thinking abilities to connect with and learn from a wide variety of people. Since robots lack the non-cognitive and reasoning abilities necessary to effectively handle interpersonal conflict, the human resource manager should always be human. Therefore, you can only partially be replaced by robots. However, artificial intelligence will soon play a significant role in facilitating HR professionals' work. Number 5. Lawyers and judges. Negotiation, strategic thinking, and case analysis are all crucial skills in these roles. Individual experts' backgrounds and levels of expertise matter much. To successfully represent a client in court and work within the intricate framework of the legal system, you must have a unique combination of abilities. It takes a human being to weigh all the evidence presented in a trial and make a judgment that might result in years behind bars. Even in the far-off future, a law-savvy android won't be able to handle these occupations. Moreover, would you feel safe having a robot represent you in court? Number 6. Politicians. Politicians, like everyone, need to become adept at problem solving in the face of uncertainty, a talent that sets you apart from robots and artificial intelligence. This has recently been on display, for better or worse, as a result of the current pandemic situations and how the decisions of our leaders have a tremendous impact on the outcome of the spread of the virus. How comfortable are you with the idea of electing a robot to speak on behalf of the majority of humans? It's implausible, therefore politicians are here to stay, for better or worse. The thought of robots leading us is improbable. It is as if we will be selling the human race to another species. Moreover, robots cannot handle pertinent political issues like hunger, insecurity, education reforms, and others, because unlike you, they do not have a mind. To bring it to perspective, you are not programmed in any way, which means you can decide on your own. This is different from a robot, since humans program it. One might use a program that will benefit only them and not the entire population. Number 7. Professional athletes. Robots playing baseball would be a boring spectacle. Even the concept of a robot gymnast seems unnecessary. You have to be a person if you want to be an athlete. For all their challenges and rewards, sports are worth participating in and watching because of this very reason. Sports are all about showcasing the advantages of the human body over mechanical counterparts. Number 8. Computer System Analyst. No matter how advanced our automated systems get, they will always need a human presence for routine tasks like software and hardware upgrades, bug fixes, and setting up new users. Reviewing the system's capabilities, overseeing the workflow, planning improvements, and enhancing automation are just some of the many things you can do as a computer system analyst. As more and more devices connect to the internet, they will be able to exchange data with one another and interact with one another in novel ways. This means that the need for this kind of specialist will grow in the coming years. The idea that we should never let machines program each other, proposed as a fourth rule of robotics, is one of the most controversial ideas in artificial intelligence. Number 9. Psychologists and psychiatrists. Though much facial recognition technology is presently employed to build the first artificial intelligence, counseling care and assistance to meet the rising need, mental health is still a sensitive issue. Providing individuals with a human connection is crucial in helping them achieve their goals in life. No matter how advanced systems grow in, say, 50 years from now, it's improbable that complicated and cyber-friendly algorithms will replace these positions with prosthetic faces, since doing so requires human experience. Number 10. Professional singers. Now, artificial intelligence can write and compose its tunes. There are already robotic orchestras, thus AI will eventually replace many human musicians. However, artificial intelligence will never be able to eradicate the affection that you feel as a listener to your favorite artists. Singing is a direct expression of the singer's inner state of mind. Machines can't feel pain or joy. The singing would be boring and unpleasant. Thus, machines will never be able to appreciate a live performance with the same level of feeling as a human. Generally speaking, what do you think about your current job? Do you think it will be replaced by AI in the next 20 to 30 years? Let us know in the comments section. Also, if you think there's a job we missed out on and you strongly believe it can't be replaced by AI, tell us in the comments section as well. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.